We've got broken fences, broken electric fence. We've got all kinds of spots here where I have to add new electrical wire to. Like places it's broken right down.
Chicken soup with Grumbles.
Snapped right off. I actually came up here because I was going to mend this fence. I need some 12-foot planks, so I got to look around for some 12-foot planks because look at the horses are like eating them, gnawing right out of them. To a point where I had to put a temporary piece here until I actually got a piece long enough, 12 feet, to fix that. So yeah, that's our dealio today. I got to try and fix this fence up here a bit. Let's start right here. So far, so good with the rubber boots. It is still plugged in. Playing a little bit of rush roulette today with this. What I basically did is two slip knots on each other. Now it's tight. We're gonna hook it up to this other insulator right here. We're gonna come across. We're actually gonna do a little wind around. Lock it in there, go underneath of it. Oops. Here, let me do that again. I don't know if you've seen that, but we're gonna go around. We're gonna go around again. We're gonna go around. Then we're gonna go around again. Then we're gonna go underneath and through so it actually grabs around the wire. That gives it lots of tension and that gives it extra wire. These guys are watching me. I'm fixing this fence, you bad horses. What are you doing? A little break here for a second. Teddy, are you okay? He is still a baby. But he's almost as big as Paulo. They're coming up to say, hey, why are you fixing this fence? Right, Polly? All right, so on with the fence. We got to go to the next insulator. Actually, there is a piece here. It's already attached. So pull this up. I'll set that in there for now. Lock it in there so it doesn't leave. This will be a spare piece because it's not too long. It's broken right there too. What's going on, Teddy? I've got rubber boots on. I don't know if this will... Oh yeah, it's actually not even fully connected in. So I gotta go, I'll unlatch this where I had it holding and wrap around this again like I did the last one. And behind it, Teddy's watching close. Don't get caught up in that, Teddy. We're gonna roll this out to this next one and we're gonna wrap it in like we did before. Wrap, around behind. And just to hold it in there, I'm gonna wrap it around and tuck it in there for a second. Maybe it doesn't need to. What are you doing, Teddy? You're pretty inquisitive. How are you? Look, you got stuff on your eyeball. You got stuff on your chin. How you doing, buddy? Hey, how you doing, buddy? Do you like that it's warmer out? Hey, Paulo, does this guy follow you around all the time? Hi, buddy. Old Teddy, he loves company. He's a company lover. Okay, I gotta go up to this other insulator and see where I'm at. Okay, there's a line going this way and it's continuing on this way. Hello? You kind of just buckled right up here behind me. I need to go back down the fence, Teddy. Teddy, come on, you gotta move. Oh my, you're gonna make me come out here. Aren't you in the deep snow? Oh. Look at Paulo's trying to turn around. Where's everybody going? Oh, Teddy. We'll chase the rest of this line. Maybe he'll follow me. There, it's broke here as well. Sometimes, that's why I leave slack. Sometimes I can undo this. Yeah. Look at Teddy comes right up to me again. Hey, don't push me. You're a horse. You're pretty heavy. Sometimes you can undo some of this slack. I don't know if I'll have enough to tie back up. Excuse me, you won't even let me move. I know, you love company, right? Hey? Hey, yeah, you. The one not subscribed. You watch 3 of my videos in a row and try not to join the chaos. I dare you. Why, look, it's Shadow. So it's a matter of taking time out. Thankfully, this isn't an emergency, but like I said, the snow being up so much, it actually makes the fence lower to the ground. so it's easier to walk through, to jump over, etc., etc. I hope I got enough of this roll to, I keep putting my finger in the way, sorry, to get up this fence line, up over the fence and through the little holes, wrap around, could do it twice here and pinch that in there so it doesn't move on me. We'll see where we're at here. A lot of stuff you got to MacGyver at the time. That there so I can actually make that a little tighter. Ding, ding, ding. Oh, see? Even though I got rubber boots on, I'm touching the 2 wires. I just got a shock. Every time you fix a connection, it gets stronger. Once the whole connection's complete all the way around, I can hear it go click, click, click. I'll bring you up here, see if you can hear it go click, click, click. Oh, now I don't hear it. Oh yeah, make me a liar. No, it's not gonna. Right. Basically this string, I'm gonna tie into this line here, which is a continuation of the fence line going all the way up. There's electrical. It looks like it's all good from here. Gonna connect this end to that end, and we should be connected. It's good I'm working with rubber boots, really thick rubber boots. We'll go right up to here. This will go up this way. So we just did a little continuation on. We did crossed here through the spring and with the wire to the other side and tied back in. But for now, I think that is all. Everything else is somewhat good, I think. So there you have it. Jobs you really don't like at the barn. A lot of times you're MacGyvering stuff. Look at that, I got everybody coming up behind me. You're doing the MacGyver and making sure everything works, but yeah, fixing a fence on an emergency. Got to keep them horses where they're supposed to be, not wandering around. Right, Teddy? This video is Teddy approved. And don't forget to hit that like button. See you next time on Grumbles Homestead, Teddy.
Chicken soup with Grumbles. What an awesome meal.